Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a symbol or a special character in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you need to do is select the Insert tab, go over to the far right side and select where it says Symbol. Go ahead and left click on that. So there may be a symbol that just immediately jumps out at you here that you're looking for. If not, you can select more symbols and you can go ahead and search for the various symbols that are included in a Microsoft Office here and locate the symbol you're looking for. And pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Once you found the symbol you're looking for, you can just go ahead and select it and then select insert. And that's pretty much all you need to do. And if we go down to where our cursor was, you can see it has been pasted into our Word document. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.